Hello everyone, welcome and good morning everyone. Today topic a new project, Nico. Okay, on a chain, interesting athletic game. Nico trading competition is live join and a share of one lakh Nico. Okay, Nico reward 2025. 2025 7:22 9:32 UTC. Okay, and view 22,581. And Get is currently holding the Nico trading competition join right now, and a share the 1 lakh Nico reward prize pool join now, companion period, July 22 3rd, 2025 10 a.m. July 29th 2025 10th a.m. UTC. Okay, actually, one raise to the Nico trading trading broadcast for 800,000 Nico prices during the event. User who have no less than 5,000 eco sport training volume can share the 800,000 eco reward based on their ENKO sport trading volume trading. Okay, and ranking one reward 80,000 NEKO minimum NEKO trading volume person, dollars 60 million, and ranking 2, and reward 65,000 NEKO, and minimum NEKO trading volume or person, dollars 13 lakh. Okay, and ranking 3, rewards 30,000 NEKO. Okay, and minimum NEKO trading volume 6 lakh dollars. Okay, and ranking 4, or 5, rewards equally sure 160,000 NEKO, and minimum NEKO trading volume per or person, dollars 700,000, and ranking other users and rewards sharing 465,000 NEKO based on a sport trading volume opportunity, and minimum Nico trading volume person 5,000. Okay, thanks a lot everyone. Please like, follow, share. Okay, and trade now, NEKO or USDT. Okay, actually, exclusive benefit for newcomers. Share extra 100,000 NEKO reward during the event. New user who registered, and each sport trading volume of dollars 2,000, of 2,000 of future trading volume of dollars 10,000 with receive 250 NEKO reward. The total prize pool is 100,000 NEKO. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Okay. Okay, new user registration feature, operation guide. Actually, 3, invite friends, share 100,000 NEKO reward bonus. And during the event, invite a friend to register and complete spot trading volume of dollars 2,000 or future trading volume of dollars of 10,000 to earn 50 and EKO reward to more friends to your to more friends you invite. The more reward you can earn. Rewards are distributed on a first come first saved basis. Okay, total referrals 1 or 5 rewards 50 and EKO person, and total referrals 6 or 20 and rewards 75 and EKO are person on total referral 20 rewards 125 and EKO person. Okay, notice all participants need to click the join now button and complete identification before the event and to be eligible for reward. Volume is equal by volume plus sale volume. The total reward for this event is 1 lakh, and EK reward will be distributed within a 14 working day after the companion and the user of distribute account and any other cheating behavior such as inflate to trading volume registration or a fake account, safe trading or order matching etc. Okay, okay. That team July 25 and to get ready to crypto trading trade now 3005 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on a get. And take action now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in a 10,000 welcome reward. Invite friend and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Cat's official website. Download the Cat app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discussion trading topics. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, and good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. An EKO trading competition is live. Join and share 1 lakh and EKO rewards. Okay, and the event 5 days. Okay, join now. Get is currently holding CSKY trading competition. Join right now and assure the 600,000 CSKY reward prize pool. Okay, actually one race to the NEKO trading leaderboard for 800,000 NEKO prizes during the event user who have no less than 5,000 NEKO sport training volume can share the 800,000 NEKO reward based on their NEKO sport trading volume trading one ranking one reward 80,000 NEKO minimum NEKO trading volume or person dollar 16 lakh. Okay, and ranking two rewards 65,000 NEKO minimum NEKO trading volume dollars 13 lakh. Okay, and ranking 3 rewards 30,000 NEKO minimum NEKO trading volume dollar 6 lakh, and ranking 4 or 50 rewards equally sure 160,000 NEKO minimum NEKO trading volume dollar 700,000, and a ranking of the user and reward share 465,000 NEKO based on a sport trading volume opportunity and minimum NEKO trading volume $5,000. Okay, thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Actually, exclusive benefit for a newcomers. Share extra 100,000 NEKO reward during the event. New user who register and reach sport trading volume of 200 or 2,000 dollars 2000, a future trading volume of dollars 10,000 with will receive and 250 NEKO reward. The total prize pool is 1 lakh NEKO. Okay, and first come first served. Actually, three invite friend share 10 invite friend share 1 lakh NEKO referral bonus. During the event, invite a friend to registered and complete sport trading volume of dollars 2,000 of future trading volume of dollars 10,000 to earn a 50 NEKO reward. The more friends you invite, the more reward you can earn. Rewards are distributed on a first come first served basis. Total referral 1 5 and a reward 50 NEKO and a total referral 60 6 or 20 and reward 75 NEKO and total referrals 20 and referral rewards 150 NEKO. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, notes. All participation need click the join now button on and complete identification before the event and to the eligible for a reward trading volume by volume plus sale. Okay, sale volume. Okay, the total reward for this event is 1 lakh NEKO. Reward will be distributed within a 14 working day after the companion end and okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Okay, and get Launch Pool Project 288 NEKO stake GT and NEKO to earn airdrops to 2025 722 22 7 20 52 7 UTC and views 23,048 and a cat in a launching the 288 the launch pool project. NEKO user can stake GT or NEKO to share 750,000 NEKO airdrop tokens for free with a reward distributed wholly. Staking period July 22 2025 10 July to 25 2025 10 UTC and total is taking rewards 750,000 NEKO staking pool GT NEKO and total is taking rewards 500,000 NEKO and total is taking reward 250 oh GT staking pool GT, and total staking reward 500,000 Nico. Okay, price pool per over 6,444.44 and EKO, and hourly reward cap per user 55 555.55 and EKO, maximum staking amount per user 2000 GT, and minimum staking amount 0.01 GT, and staking pool and EKO total staking reward 250,000 and EKO. Okay, and a price pool price pool per over 3,472.22 and EKO, and hourly reward cap per user 555.55 and EKO, and maximum staking amount per user 300,000 and EKO, and minimum staking amount per user at 3 Nico. Okay, unlocking stake to earn stake now to earn unlocking rule unlock 100 percentage and cat launch pool sports early staking, where you can stake your assets before the project officially launch to ensure that you start earning a reward immediately as soon as a minimum backs. Okay, and reward distribution token reward will be distributed to user sport accounts evenly over based on the opportunity of their stake assets. A get launch pool FAQ: how to participate, log into your get account and complete identification, and to launch pool hold at least 0.001 GT or 3 and EKO. Click to stake. Okay, project overview. Okay, Nico, gamified community driven project built on the Solana blockchain. Okay, GitLab investment, and GitLab and has not uh, inter, uh, interests in Nico. Okay, cat nodes. Cat Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop airdrop platform where user can stake GTBTC, Ethereum, or other token to earn only airdrop of hot trading and new coin with low entry barrier and a high APR. It's the unmatched platform for capturing market opportunity effectively. Please complete identification before participating in a launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assist. Okay, and the project team does not uh, okay user in the United Kingdom and other listed location cannot access the services, including the participation in this event, gaming, or a game or a competition. See the user agreement for future details on a registered location. Okay, get team July 22. 2025, and gateway to crypto turned over 3,500 cryptocurrencies quickly and quickly easily on a get. Okay, and take action now, sign up and claim up to 10,000 in a welcome rewards, and invite friends and earn a 40 percentage commission and stay connected. Visit cat officially website, download the cat app, test or follow us on X, Twitter, join our telegram community. Okay, thank you so much everyone, please like, follow, share. Okay, thanks a lot everyone, please like, follow, share everyone. Okay, okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everyone. Please like, follow, share. Okay. Okay. Nico, Neko. Okay. Oh. An EKO is a campfire community-driven project built on the Solana blockchain, blending with interesting NEKO aims to Web3 gaming thought machine. NFT and social participation at its core. The project prayer and holder to shape the ecosystem and marketing in a more than just a gaming but a movement paced by okay team and sport by an ever every chroming community and EKO and okay play and be part of the NEKO investors. Okay, start time 2025. 7:22:15 and the time 2025 7:25:15 and project information catch total staking reward 500,000. Okay, and EKO. Minimum period 3 days. Total rewards 7,500. 750,000. 50,000 and EKO totally stacked 2 lakh 858,086.49 GT and participation 10,000 10,996 prize pool hourly cap 609 6,944.44 and EKO individual hourly reward cap APR 7.51 and individual staking cap 2,000 and 2,000 GT. Okay. Go. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. And Nico, total staking rewards 250,000 NEKO and the minimum period 3 days. Total reward 750,000 NEKO and total stacked 1 lakh 335,034.69 69. Okay, participation 635 6,365 and prize pool hourly cap 3,472.22 NEKO and individual hourly cap 555.55 NEKO APR 5,934 percentage to individual stacking cap 3,000 300,000 NEKO. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Step into the future of Mimi tokens. Okay, start. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Token NEKO and NEKO official. Okay, and Nico official. Okay, Nico NEKO. Okay. Okay, let's go and EKO fam and so who to follow. Okay, cat is okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. What is an EKO? What is an EKO? An EKO is an upcoming and innovative game on the Solana blockchain. It's set to launch by the end of the year. In this game, player will have the opportunity to combine two unique NFT as an egg and sperm to create a new NEKO token, meme, okay, inspire cryptocurrency, this full playful NFT, okay, okay, unleash the power of NEKO, the meme token. Okay, NEKO, the future of Mimi Queen, the future of Mimi Queen. Okay, okay. Thanks a lot, everyone. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Get launch pool FAQ update on a 6/30 2025 22. Um, okay, like 844. What is Get Launch Pool? Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking airdrop platform where user can stake GTBTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other token to earn hourly airdrop of hot and a new coin. What With a low entry barrier and high APR, it's the unmatched platform for effectively capturing market opportunity. Join now. How can I participate in a cat launch pool? First, first log into your cat account and navigate to the cat launch pool page. Then close the project you want to participate in and stake your assist. Which coin can I stake in a cat launch pool? The token eligible for participation will be announced on the minimum page of each project. Please visit the page of cat launch pool to view more details. Okay, how many token will be rewarded? Hourly staking reward individual state latest 1 hour valid staking amount, total pool staking amount, hourly reward pool. Okay, the platform will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amount each hour and take the average staking amount as the valid staking amount. How are reward distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshot of personal staking amount hourly and token reward are distributed to eligible user hourly will earnings will be distributed into user sport accounts, which can when will the stake assets be remanded after the user remarries advance or the staking is completed. The staking assets will be transferred to simple and by difficult. If the option is unchecked, the strict assist will be remanded into sport assist if the amount of remanded assist is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple, and the assist will be announced automatically transfer to sport assist. If simple and does not support the claim of the remaining token, the assist will also be automatically transferred to sport assist. Can I remind my staked assist at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amount each hour and calculate the valid staking amount. However, early remanded may result in this loss of a reward. Please maintain a stable staking amount of ensure minimum reward. Can I add additional assist staked assist? Okay, and you can increase your asked assist at any time. The more token you stake, the gather your proportional minimum reward. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive staking reward. Can I participate in a multiple project at the same time? Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, Skyfall, join my live stream. Thank you so much and welcome. Here comes join the crow. Join my live stream. Thank you so much and welcome. Make 20 money. Join my live stream. Thank you so much and welcome. 18 years of singleness. Join my live stream. Thank you so much and Richard. Thank you so much joining my live stream. MK1975. Thanks a lot. And cat user 83E9 DF70. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. And crypto professor joined my live stream and one USDT send. Oh, thank you so much, crypto professor. Okay, get user 1C1EE666 join my live stream. Thank you so much. Welcome and good morning. And cat user BC9958C thanks a lot. Okay, classmate join my live stream. Thank you so much. Lily 021214. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, and third I 360. Thank you so much. Join my live stream and cat user 2377D98. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Bulbul joined my live stream. Thank you so much and nice name Bulbul. Cat user 7240P527. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, and I can participate in a multiple project at the same time. When there are multiple project, a launch pool project going on at the same time, you can check stake in a different pools to receive a new token minimum reward or multiple project. Each staking pool needs to be staked separately. If the only stake exists in a pool A, you will not be able to option received from pool B. You can stake pool A or pool B separately to option the minimum reward of a new coin. What is the maximum minimum reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no future staking reward will be granted. Please refer to the announcement on the minimum page of the reward or hard cap limited for each project. Will stake assist in the cat launch pool impact my VIP level? No assist staked in the cat launch pool will be included in the assist holding calculation for hodler airdrop, launchpad, and PIP. Okay, what will happen? What will happen to my funds in the project is ended early. In a case of early ending, your stake principal will be announced automatically remanded as soon as the project is ended and you listen invest will be distributed on the wholly after the end time. The investor distribution before the ending will be about annual percentage RAT APR. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Please like me. Okay. APR total reward is listed in the last over total stacked multiply 365 multiply 224 multiply 100 percentage. Okay, 100 percentage. And when the reward coin is not the stake coin, APR total reward listed in the last over um, multiply closing price of the reward coin of the last over total stacked multiply closing price of the stake coin of the last over. Okay, multiply 365, multiply 34, multiply 100 percentage. Thanks a lot, everyone. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Okay. How to participate in a cat launch pool update on 6/27 2025 and view 3075 views and 56. Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GTBTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other token to earn holy airdrop of hot and a new coin with a low entry barrier and a high APR. It's the native platform for effectively capturing market opportunity and stake to earn now. How to join Get Launch Pool and stake to earn. Log into your Get account and navigate to Launch Pool. App Home, Launch Pool, web click, earn. Okay. Web click earn Launch Pool. Okay, closing the staking pool you want to join. Click stake. Entry the staking amount. Click confirm and complete staking. Okay. View reward in a reward history after successfully staking. How to stake to earn. How to stake to earn. Okay. Okay. How to stake to earn. Notes, please complete identification board before participating in a large pool to enhance the security of your account and assist. The stake assist will be transferred to simple and by difficult If this option is unchecked, the stake assist will be remanded into sport assist. The will take multiple snapshot of personal staking amount each over, and you can increase your staking assist at any time. Please maintain stable staking amount to enhance ensure minimum reward. Okay, thanks a lot everyone. Please like, follow, share everyone. Okay, launch pool quick is taking an prepared new token staked DOS 471.4 million. Okay, and future funds listed 32.29 billion, participation 5.91 million plus, and total reward $654.5k, and NEKO. NEKO total reward for 750,000 NEKO, stacking period 3 days, and GT pool reward NEKO 500,000 and APR 7.58 percentage. Total stacked 2 million. Okay, 2,861,323.54 GT, individual staking cap 2,000 GT, and an EKO protocol, pool. An EKO pool reward an EKO 250,000 APR 5,804.1. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. And APR 5,804.1 percentage. Total is stacked 1,03,406 for 1 lakh. Total is stacked 1,340,623.19, and EKO. Individual staking cap 300,000 and EKO, and Ethereum pool B MB MBG pool. Okay, MBG total reward 112,500 MBG. Thank you so much everyone. Oh hi, हाय फ्लावर गर्ल, कैसी हैं आप? नहीं, अभी नहीं मिले हमें प्रोजेक्ट के रिवॉर्ड फ्लावर गर्ल। मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह। अभी तो हम लोग कर रहे हैं, अगली मर्तबा जो किए थे हमने 11 तक प्रोजेक्ट, उनके साथ में मिले थे इकट्ठे, तो इस तरह से ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है। इकट्ठे ही मिलेंगे हमें सबके, मुझे लगता है। आप चली गई हैं, इधर ही हैं फ्लावर गर्ल? सॉरी, मैं ऑफलाइन थी डियर, तो इसलिए मैंने देखा नहीं आपको। फ्लावर गर्ल, चली गई हैं आप? और कैसी हैं आप फ्लावर गर्ल? ओके, BTC pool, ES sports pool. BTC pool reward 650,000 APR 3.62 percentage. Total is stacked 1,520.00770,106, and total individual staking cap 30 BTC. Okay, and Okay, Taker, GT pool, Taker, total reward 200, 4,000, Taker, 400,000 Taker. Okay, staking period 10 days, and total reward Taker 2 lakh 400,000 Taker, and GT pool reward taker 2 lakh APR 5.11 percentage. Total stacked 4 lakh 82,930.37 TG, and individual stacking cap VIP 2000 GT. Taker pool, taker reward, taker 400,000 APR 135.66% total stacked 200 $26,190,819.01. Okay, Taker, and individual stacking cap 150,000 Taker. Okay. BTC pool, Ethereum pool, ES pool, and ES. Total reward 990,000 ES. Staking period 10 days. And BTC pool 500,000 and APR 3.26 percentage. Total stacked 3,065.06175005 BTC. Individual stacking cap VIP 10 BTC. Ethereum pool, Ethereum APRs 10.17 percentage. Total stacked Total stacked 38,922.083286 Ethereum. Okay, individual stacking cap VIP 300 Ethereum, and ES pool reward ES 190,000 APR. APR 138.16 percentage. Total stacked 17 lakh 979,441.01 ES. Individual stacking cap 40,000 ES. Okay, participate ELP. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. एक छोटी सी ब्रेक के बाद में welcome back everyone. Okay, ELP total reward 10,000. Sorry, 10 lakh APL. Sorry, ELP. Okay, staking period 21 days, and ELP pool reward ELP 7 lakh 500,000 APR 131,303.57 percentage. Total stacked 0 ELP, and GT pool reward ELP 2 lakh 500,000 and APR 4.78 percentage. Total stacked 8,212.76 GT. Okay, and VSN total reward one total reward 409,091 BSN staking period 7-day BSN pool reward BSN reward BSN 290,091 APR 936.59% total stacked to 2,646,154.28 BSN and individual staking cap 130,000 BSN and USDT pool reward BSN 2,000 200,000. Okay, and APR APR 101.88 percentage and total is stacked 2,665,880 48.52 USDT. Individual stacking cap 2,000 USDT. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot. AMS 2024 join my live stream. Thank you so much. Welcome. Please like, follow, share. Okay. DMC DMC total rewards 24 lakh. DMC striking period 28 days. USDT pool reward 12 million APR 33.53. Okay, and total stacked 10 lakh 333,145.81 USDT. Individual staking cap 5,000 USDT. Okay, per GT pool APR 5.46 percentage totally stacked for 4,164,098.23 GT. Individual stacking cap 2,000 GT and TMC total TMC pool reward DMC 400,000 sorry 4 lakh DMC pool reward DMC. Okay, APR 68.45 percentage total stacked for 491 million 611,637.15 DMC and individual staking cap 1 lakh 500,000 DMC. DMC, USDT pool, GT pool, Boom Boom pool, and GT pool, and USDT pool. Thank you so much, everyone. Please like, follow, share, Little Queen, and join my live stream. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Thanks a lot, everyone. Hodler airdrop FAQ update on a 6 to 27 2025 a few 4,491 views. Okay, about hodler airdrop. What is the hodler airdrop? Hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT hodler user only named to hold a certain amount of GT to share airdrop token based on their holding platform. Okay, what are the requirement to participate in the hodler airdrop? Participation must complete identification, verification and hold at least 1 GT. Okay, PIP18 join my live stream. Thank you so much. Welcome. Please like, follow, share. Okay. What are the requirements to participate in the hodler airdrop? Participate must complete identification and hold at least one GT. What is the GT holding participation limited? The CAT holding participation limited may vary for each project. The specific limited will be greatly started in each project. Airdrop announcement. How are airdrop token distributed once you participate in the event? The system will begin tracking your GT holding for of the start of the project. If it will take multiple random snapshot every hour and calculate the hourly average. Okay. Can I participate in a multiple hodler airdrop? Yes, as long as you hold GT at each project snapshot time and meet the participation requirements. You can participate in multiple hodler airdrop. It will identically receive to token if participate user holding at least one GT can 100% receive the airdrop proved they maintain at least one GT at the snapshot time. Okay. How can I check my airdrop token received? Reward will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project, and you can check them anytime under an hodler airdrop history. Okay, and what should do I have? What should do I do if I have not received my airdrop token? Okay, if you did not receive airdrop token, please first check if you meet the participation criteria and create and confirm your cat account holding at least at the snapshot time. If the issue, please contact customer support. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Please like me, everyone. Okay, how to participate in a cat hodler airdrop? How to participate in a cat hodler airdrop? Hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for user holding GT token. User only need to hold at least one GT to claim free airdrop. The more GT holding, the more airdrop rewards. Okay. Free claim free airdrop. How to join a cat hodler airdrop and claim free airdrop. Log into your cat account and negative holder airdrop app. Click on hodler airdrop web. Click on hodler airdrop. Select the progress project and click participate on participate. Participation result can be viewed in the airdrop record on the project claim page. Okay. How to claim free airdrop at Hodler airdrop. Okay. How to claim free airdrop. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Flower girl again joined my live stream. Thank you so much, Flower Girl. How are you, dear? कैसी हैं आप? Okay, Hodler airdrop, Hold GT and get massive airdrop for free. Receive 0.00 and Airdrop dollars abundant 27.8 million. Total airdrop dollars 69.55k airdrop total. Participate total airdrop $69.99k. Participate 11.66 million. Okay. And ENEKO total airdrop 5 lakh NERO. Okay. And participate 7,955 per GT 0.9755 ENRO. Okay, and XU308 total airdrop 4,474 XU308 participate 14,196 per GT 0.0013 XU308 and NEKO total airdrop 500,000 NEKO participation 13,057 per GT 0.1525 NEKO. Okay, and the time 2025 7 22 13 and MBG total airdrops 37,500 MBG participation 13,399 per GT 0.01414 MBG and the time 2025 7 22 11 and CSKY total airdrop 400,000 CSKY and participate 13,740 78 per GT 0.1262 C CSKY and the time 2025 7:21. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Kafal again join my live stream and VIP 18 again join my live stream. Thank you so much. Flower Girl join my live stream. And big okay. Make 20 money again join my live stream. Thank you so much and welcome. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. Invite friend and earn up to 40% commission. And together as your friend trade result. Okay. Super commission earn up to 40% commission on every trade. Okay. Commission ratio sport your share 30 percentage friends your invite share 10 percentage alpha your share 30 and invites your friend share 10 percentage. Okay, feature 20,000 your share and friends your invite share 0.0 percentage. Okay, data overview USDT. Okay, and sport euro USDT and referral history commission history referral actually Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Please like me, everyone. Okay. Total air drop. Total air drop 707 272,727 BSN, and participation 10,976 per GT, per GT 0.066 BSM. Oh my god. Per GT 0.066 VSN, and the time 2025 716 ES. Total airdrop 60,000 per GT. Participate 9,803, and per GT 0.012 0.152 ES, and the time 2025 716 13 TPUAI. Total airdrop GPUI. Total airdrop 667 GPUAI. Participate 11,755 per GT 0.0217 GPUAI, and the time 2025 7 11 13 SAR. Total airdrop 2,83,333 SARM. Participation 14. Oh, thank you so much, everyone. Please like, follow, share, everyone. Okay, Allah Hafiz, everyone. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon, inshallah, inshallah. Okay.